Frigidaire portable air conditioners feature a built-in filter alert system. The clean filter indicator light automatically appears after approximately 250 hours of operation, signaling that it's time for filter maintenance. A dirty filter creates several serious problems for your air conditioner. It restricts airflow, reduces cooling efficiency, forces the unit to work much harder, and can even cause dangerous ice buildup on the cooling coils. This diagram shows how your air conditioner's cooling system works. Clean aluminum fins efficiently transfer heat, but when dust and debris clog these fins, airflow becomes blocked. This forces your unit to work much harder while providing less cooling, wasting energy, and reducing performance. Here's a clear comparison between a dirty filter and a clean one. The difference is dramatic. Regular filter maintenance ensures your air conditioner operates at optimal performance and significantly extends the unit's lifespan, saving you money on energy bills and costly repairs. First, ensure safety by turning off your Frigidaire portable air conditioner and unplugging it from the power source. This prevents any electrical hazards during maintenance. Next, locate the filter compartment, which is typically found on the back or front of your unit. Most Frigidaire portable air conditioners have two filters labeled Filter A and Filter B. Now clean the filters using one of two methods. You can wash them with warm water and mild detergent, or vacuum them to remove dust and debris. Make sure to rinse thoroughly to remove any soap residue. After cleaning, shake off excess water and dry the filters with clean cloths. Allow them to air dry completely before reinstalling. This is crucial. Wet filters can damage your unit. Finally, plug your unit back in and reset the filter indicator. Press and hold the filter or filter reset button until the clean filter light turns off. This may take a few seconds. Remember to clean your filters monthly or whenever the filter light illuminates after approximately 250 hours of operation. Some units have advanced filters that should be replaced every 6 months instead of cleaned.